In this video, we will learn how to implement real JWT authentication in ASP.NET Core and use it with our React.js frontend. This will make our login system secure and production ready. We will extend identity user into app user and configure our DB context to use identity with the entity framework core. First, install the required NuGet packages for identity and JWT authentication. We will build APIs for registration and login, generate JWT tokens in ASP.NET Core, store them securely in React, and protect backend routes using JWT. In program.cs, configure identity for user management and add JWT authentication using settings from appsettings.json. Inside appsettings.json, define a secret key, issuer, and audience for JWT tokens. Create an auth controller with a login endpoint. If credentials are valid, generate a JWT token and return it. To protect APIs, just add the authorize attribute. Now only logged in users with a valid JWT token can access these endpoints. In React, when the user logs in, we call the backend API and store the token in local storage. To call protected APIs, include the JWT token in the authorization header. If the token is valid, the API will return data. For logout, simply clear the token from local storage and redirect the user back to the login page. Now, test everything. You should be able to register or login, receive a JWT token, call protected APIs, and log out successfully. In summary, we set up ASP.NET Core identity with JWT, built a login API, protected routes with authorize, and integrated JWT authentication in React. In the next video, we will make authentication more realistic using JWT and ASP.NET identity, connect it to a database, and manage state with React context or Redux.